So today Zane is gonna go by his great-grandmother to learn how to make dal. You ready to learn how to make dal, Zane? You excited? So his great-grandmother lives right across the street. So we're headed there now.
Come.
Tell Ma you came to learn to make dal.
What is that? You remember that? Eh? Baby boy. What you about?
Nope.
So how much dal is this about?
That's about a half pound.
Half pound.
Less than half, right?
So today Ma is gonna show us how to make her famous dal. Yeah. So how long you soak it?
That's so for about a half an hour.
Okay.
You
So
can
she
cook it
just
for
soaks it.
more than that if you want, eh? So that. So that you cook it yourself.
So soaking it makes it easier to boil. So first she's putting up some water to boil. This is about 1.5 cups of water. And she's gonna let that come to a boil.
You want to cut it too fine now, but I just cut it fine. Then you boil on the dal, mash up and boil on the dal.
So this is pimentos
Yeah.
and onion. And plenty garlic.
Straight inside here.
So to the washed and soaked dal, she added the pimentos, the garlic and the onion she just chopped up. And now she's adding about half teaspoon or about a teaspoon of turmeric or saffron.
Boiling water.
You forget, Ma?
Zane. Like an apple, huh?
You forget?
Yeah, I want to watch him on thing.
Zane, did you forget, Ma?
What's your apple boy? What? You want apple?
You forget, Ma?
You come to learn to make dal boiling.
You forget my boy.
Yeah, no.
Ma said she put in a piece of bitter pepper or hot pepper. She just followed that. So for dinner, Ma is gonna make toasty roti and pumpkin to curry.
Are you cooking too? Now it's boiling. Come on, see. Okay.
So once the water is boiling, you add the dal and the hot pepper and the garlic and everything. So while we wait for the dal to boil, we chilling out in the gallery, taking in some breeze. Trini! Is so much lip of this. Ma's gallery has really nice breeze, so we like to chill out here.
Smell it. Okay. You know this salt, kind of taste. You know that? That's some salt of matcha potato taste.
A sea salt?
Huh?
Sea salt?
Yeah, this is salt. I'll put 1 spoon. This one is going to come out. Just go down. And then put the piece of this one.
So it's been boiling for about 15 minutes. So once it gets soft, she'll swizzle it up and mash it.
Very dull. It's still hard.
So she's testing it with the dal chutney. It's still hard, so it won't mash.
Ajee. Now water outside. I have the other water. I'm going to even drink that one.
There's 3 in 1.
Yeah, 3 in 1. Let's make it 3 in 1. I like the middle one.
So now the dal grains are soft, so Ma's swizzling it with the dal chutney.
Just have to get thick now. What a nice color.
This is how I like dal. A light color.
Yeah, I don't like it too yellow. Yes, this is so common to yellow.
So Ma says she likes to remove the froth from the top.
This I have much because I will wash. Yes.
So Ma just added the geera to a culture or a ladle. This is a metal one. So this is gonna go over an open flame. So just plain geera in there. She's gonna do that first.
Still one down, still another. on the little dal.
About half teaspoon of roasted ground jeera.
Right, and then turn it up. Take a little more. This side. Take it out more.
So now she's just gonna roast the jeera seeds for a little bit. Notice she didn't add any oil to the calzone yet, so it's just dry in there. Now she's adding a little bit of oil to it. So she said the jeera patch a little too much. So you want it dark brown but not black.
Yeah, not black.
And then she just added some hot pepper or pimento.
Pimento and
garlic.
If you want hot pepper, you can put hot pepper, but and if you put the hot pepper, you'll put pimento. You put the jeera together, the jeera do get brown. Jeera is remaining.
And don't get enough heat.
You got to patch it a little bit first and then put the pimento and the garlic.
So you have to add it quick to the dal and cover it. Just to infuse the flavors of everything she added.
Right, nice. Take care from Ajee down. Can you taste it? I'm just having enough something.
So this is Ma's version of Trinbagonian Dhal. Split peas dal.
If they don't want to eat the jeera, they just have to scoop it out.
Or they don't even have to add it, just
Yeah, or they
could add just the powder
just
if
do
they
that
don't
and
like.
you get it out.
That's the more work, Ma. If they don't like to see the grains, they could add just the powder. If they don't like the taste, just omit the
Yeah, but
jeera.
this just give it a nice flavor, the jeera.
Yeah.
When it's settled, the jeera will come up on top, and the dal will settle down and everything come on top, and just take it out. Okay, just a bit of salt.
Perfect. Just how I remember Ma's dal. So thanks so much for watching the Trinidadian Dhal recipe, the split peas dal made by Ma. Leave all your comments for Ma down below and give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Okay, bye.